Welcome to my new video about Wix Studio, and today we will learn how to add these catchy 3D cards to your website without any code. This effect looks great on gaming sites and will surely grab users' attention. So let's start! Okay guys, open Wix Studio and let's change the background first. Change the color and add a background image. Set up the opacity of your background to 45%. Now go to Add Elements and choose Repeater. Resize and align it center. Now scroll down and change the gaps between items. Click on one of the items, change the background color, round the corners, go to Overflow Content and change it from Show to Hide so that elements that go beyond the edges are not visible. Since it's a repeater, all changes will be automatically applied to other items as well. Now go to Add Elements and choose a container. Move it to our item, stretch it, remove the background color, and rename it for convenience. Now click on Add Media and add the background for the first character. Unstretch it and resize it so that the image goes beyond the edges of the item. Align it. This is what the background should look like. Okay, let's add the character image. Move it to the container and replace it with the character image. Resize it the same way and align it. Now we need to add a title, edit it, change the font, color, size, and so on. Change the text and add a description. Edit it the same way. Hold Shift and click Stack. Now click on the item and go to Animations and Effects. Click on Mouse Effect. Choose the Tilt 3D animation and adjust it. Okay, now we need to add the next animation. Click Hover and change the animated element to the description. Choose the Fade animation. No need to change the settings here. Let's add the next hover animation. Change the animated element to Stack. Choose the Move animation and adjust it. Now click on the character image, click on Mouse Effects. Choose the Track animation and adjust it. Okay, and the last animation for the background. Click on the background image. Click on Mouse Effects. Choose the Track animation and adjust it. And the last thing, we should replace all the info inside other items. And that's it! A super easy but catchy effect that you can add to your website. Thanks for watching, guys! If you like my tutorials and don't want to miss new ones, click like and subscribe. And let me know which tutorials you would like to see next. As usual, leaving all the resources in the description below. So go to Wix Studio and try to make it yourself.